In this video, I will show you how to draw a cute horse. Step 1. Draw a simple capsule shape. This capsule shape is our horse's body. Make sure you are drawing at the center of the paper. Step 2. Draw a circle. This circle is our horse's head. Step 3. Draw a small curved line for the face. Step 4. Draw 2 curved lines joining the head to the body. Now our horse has a neck. Step 5. Draw 2 inverted ice cream cone shapes on top of the head for the ear of the horse. Step 6. Draw the mane of the horse. Step 7. We are going to draw 3 legs for our horse. For that, draw 3 simple rectangles. We will draw the 4th leg in the next step. Step 8. We are going to draw a folded front leg for our horse. For that, draw an inverted capital L shape. Step 9. We are going to draw the hoofs of the horse. Step 10. We are going to give our horse a beautiful and cute tail. First, draw a simple curved line. Then, draw another curved line below the first line. Make sure both lines meet at the end. Step 11. We are going to draw the eye and the eyebrow. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. Then, draw a small curved line inside the oval shape for the eyeball. Then, draw a curved line above the eye for the eyebrow. Step 12. We are going to draw the nose and mouth of the horse. First, draw a curved line for the mouth. Then, draw a small oval shape for the nose just above the mouth. Step 13. We are going to erase these lines. In the last step, we are going to color our horse.